The gates will go down. There they go. Cole Road, eastbound, Friday, almost 10. This guy's got 6 units. I think he said the front 3 he's using. I love Cole Road. Oh, I need to shut up. Check out the power, baby. That was running. I'm not sure about that one. Smell them. That one's running. I think number 2's off. Oh, the window's open. Number 3. What the heck's a W? What is that? Never seen that. Montana railing. Get the French out of here. Oh, smell them today, baby. That one's not running. That one's not running. That's okay. We're not gonna. Oh, and I gotta. They've been trimming the trees, and you can see forever. I don't think but only 2 of them will run. And the blue one, I've never seen a blue one like that before.
I know, it's in Montana.
Who knows?
I think I heard 3 of them running.
I'd say 2 or 3.
Yeah.
And smell them.
Wow.
I wonder where he's going.
That's crazy. 6 of them.
Is that what his cars are? I wonder what train. I heard him say something about X73 was his train symbol. I don't know what that means.
Huh.
He blew the horn at us. And I don't know if those are coal cars or stone cars.
I don't know. Bottom feed.
And I think they're empty.
Yeah, they're all open. See the chutes open?
It sure looks like that's open. I don't know. I wonder if the whole train's that.
What's your name?
Tom.
Tom, I'm Finn. Nice to meet you, Tom.
There's Finn, everybody. You can still see all those engines since they cut those trees down. I wouldn't want to do this all day today. It's too cold. It's too windy. He'll go through downtown and he'll go up towards Weber Road, Northeast Broadway, Cook Road.
Oh, really?
And he was going to try to get logged in once he got up there. Because he couldn't get logged in on something down here.
Huh.
And he said, we're ready to go, and bam, they were gone. So that signal would have changed, but I couldn't see it. He blew his horn, that told us he was getting ready to go. Looks like the whole train's whatever these cars are. I'd say they're empty. A lot more people out there know what they are besides me. He's blowing the next crossing.
So that's Alton Darby?
Yep.
And that's where the video,
That's where the camera is. I'll go home and watch it. You can back it up. Woo, I'm cold. I'm really cold.
It's nice meeting you, Tom.
Say,
Take care
Finn.
of yourself.
Say, everybody, say hey to Finn. Hello, everybody. The wind's blowing, makes it brutal. I think they're empty. Guys talking about a solar farm they're getting ready to build. half a mile south of here. Bummer. Don't need those stinking solar farms. What a bummer. So help me out. Is this coal cars? Pretty smooth, quiet sounding. Hey, he's picking up a little speed. Yeah, that one's a little noisy. Well, I say they're empty. I say they're cold. What do you think? Am I right? I don't know. Friday the 11th, about 10 in the morning. He's eastbound. He's going towards downtown Columbus. And then up. And I call it north, but they call it probably east. I thought he said 73X. I'm gonna try to look that number up. I can't do it here. I don't know what. 6 units on the front with a Montana. What'd that say? Like a box of chocolate. Now I think the next question will be, how long is it, and does he have a DPU? Aaron blowing horn for, that would be Daughtery. Oh, taxi just dropped them off. They just got started. Who knows how long it's been sitting. And the westbound went through, which means he wasn't blocking the crossover. What's the crossover? Frog? A wide? There's 2 tracks right here into Columbus, but to my left, it goes back to 1 track. Next stop would be West Jeff, next would be London, next would be Springfield, next would be Dayton. This is the Dayton district. Hey, that's not bad. What would that be? 30 mile an hour. He's red on the... Fred is red. Hello, Fred. Hello, Fred. Okay, we're going to try something a little dangerous since they cut the trees. Danger is my middle name. That's halfway. That's 3/4. That's almost all the way. That's not worth it. I'm shaking too much. So a little action. We had a deputy sheriff sitting here, but he took off real fast. Fred's coming through. Red don't rhyme with that. Fred is red. Thanks, Fred. Okay, I'm cold.